Hello internet people, in this quick video I'll show you how to render video with the transparent background in After Effects. Arnie, how will viewers feel after this video?
Only pain.
What the heck Arnie? I thought you were on my side.
Tips with Punch.
I have a video here of John being confused. You probably know all of this. And so now I want to render it without the background so I can put it anywhere in any clip I want. So it's quite easy to do. Just make sure you've selected this composition and then you go to composition, add to render queue. I have some stuff here, but it's the latest one here. And the thing here is you can set the other settings as you usually do, whatever you prefer. But then you need to select this lossless and make sure that you have QuickTime and then RGB plus alpha. This will make it transparent and you can drag and drop it on top of any other clip. And that's pretty much it. Once you click OK and then render. And once the video is ready, it can be dragged on top of any other video and it will look like something like this. Goku has teleport. Hey, if you like this video so far, I would appreciate if you can hit the like button. That would help me a lot. Thanks.